Hello everyone, my name is Ayana Grace P. Gonzaga and I am a graduate of Holy Cross of Davao College, Santa Ana Avenue, batch 2023.
So, ma'am, what Holy Christian spirit you treasure most in your life until today and why?
So, as a Christian graduate, the Holy Christian spirit that I treasure the most is being a servant leader. Because for me, especially that I am a social work graduate, I value the worth and dignity of the people. So, as a servant leader, it is not just about, or being a leader is not just about power and authority. It is also about serving other people in a way that kanang maka-inspire bitaw ka sa uban, maka-encourage ka sa uban tao or uban students and individuals na imong ma-meet na maging better person, na dili lang sila about sa kung unsa na sitwasyon ang naa sila, but they can be someone na wala nila gi-expect. They can be the better versions of themselves na wala sila kabalo na kaning mahimo pa dahil silang mas maayo na tao, mas maayo na student, na parent, na anak ko. And then, mawajud na kaning na ma-encourage being a servant leader, kani ma-encourage pa nimo ang tao to do good sa uban. So, I think being a servant leader, kani since dili lang man siya more about power and authority, matabangan pod nimo ang uban na maging empowered. Matabangan nimo sila na maging empowered. Kana siya.
And the next one is, what advice you want to say to the HEDC students at present?
My advice to the HCDC students at the present, as a Catholic institution, it is important that we have a spiritual connection jud sa ato ang Creator. So, as for me and my testimony, importante jud na kanang makabuild ka og connection, spiritual connection kay God, kay siya man good ang ato ang foundation, and also as a Christian graduate pod kanang natunan pod nako sa Holy Cross na kanang maging rooted bitaw in spiritual aspect, kay kabalo ko magampo, kabalo ko sa ako ang role as a kanang student, role pod as a follower of God. So nakatabang po siya sa ako na makabuild og foundation pag graduate na nako, kay kanang kabalo ko ba na kung asa ko nagikan, kabalo ko sa ako ang prinsipyo isip o sa Christian graduate na kaning naadjud tay Ginoo, and then masampit jud ta sa Ginoo, and then everything has its purpose, na dili lang man kita ang nagabuhat sa ato ang destiny, but it is planned na jud sa Ginoo, and then we follow through lang jud ta sa iya. So I think that's all na ako ang maingon sa mga present students sa Holy Cross. Trust God, trust His process, and always kaning abide and obey sa iyang rules. So I think that's all. Thank you.